Welcome, my dear viewers. I know you are serious about your weight loss. It's my pleasure and opportunities to share my experience about my weight loss journey. Just stay with me here till the end of my video. I will make sure you will get benefit and the time you spend here will not get wasted. I am Devidas. Welcome to Agastya Health and Physical Fitness. Today here in this video, I will share my experience on practical, safe and successful tips to lose your weight by 19 kgs in 3 months without gaining back. If you want to customize your weight loss journey, I will show all my experiences. You can customize your weight loss based upon your ideal weight. Tips and techniques are practical, executable, adopt in your life for a long time. Then finally, it's a very cost effective. Who can adopt my techniques? People who are diabetic, people who suffer from severe gastric problems, people who are under heavy medications, and those who cannot reduce their meals and leave their coffee, right? Vegetarian diet. Please trust on my words and tune your mind consciously. Unless until you don't execute and implement in your life, you cannot get succeed. Okay, you have to put effort and try consciously and rest everything. Please leave it to God. He will take care. But I can guarantee you that definitely you will succeed in this weight loss journey. Why most of us fail in our weight loss journey, right? That's the question. So many people have a points, but I have noted a few points. The first one is like we are busy schedule. Second thing is that we often miss the track. Means what happens like when we go along with my friends, family or relatives, we eat something. So like these things actually will miss our track, the track of discipline. And many of these people, what happens like, once they miss the track, they will lose an interest, right? And that also happens, and people eat a lot because of the depression. Because of the depression, nighttime, midnight, sometimes we wake up and we eat, right? Sometimes like, during depressions, actually what we think is like, okay, whatever it may be, I want to eat. Now I want peace of mind. So these impact your weight loss journey, right? Other reasons, right? Like, many reasons, whatever it may be. Few things I want you to keep in mind. The first one is like your positive attitude. Tell yourself that you will reduce your weight. Tell yourself, I want to become a healthy and fit. Tell yourself, I want to become like free from the diseases. I want to wear dress which I like, and I want to be a social kind of person. I can able to confidently go and stand in front of them. That is one thing. Second thing is that whatever circumstances comes, you please do not skip this, right? Many often we tends to do that. Third thing, affirmation. Always tell that I am strong than my cravings and I can able to control my mind. Then whatever depression happens to you, no problem, let it be. But when you feel like eating, just chew a chewing gum or else do one thing like just drink a water. But I will control my mind. This is what you have to affirm always, and this is what you have to do. And even if you eat 2 days or 3 days heavily, if you go somewhere else, party or something, fine, no problem. Don't lose it. Again, start your weight loss journey. Means again you start. Till the point you reach your goal, please don't leave it. Okay, I have a beautiful story. Let me share it with you. Once there was a boy in a village who was uncontrollable, greedy and a fatty boy. He was a son of village chairman, and whenever he was getting along with his friends, he used to snatch everything, like eat, and then always like craving. So also with this attitude, all his friends and villagers got frustrated because of like different kind of attitude, always eating. Since he was a village chairman's son, no one having the guts to speak to his father about his attitudes or the problems which he was doing. But one fine day, his father came to know about all the mischiefs, whatever he was doing. Then he decided to teach him a lesson. What he did, okay, so he was waiting for the day to come. So one fine day, this fatty boy actually got a high fever, right? And apart from that, he got a vomiting, loose motion and all that stuff. Then he was very sick. By seeing that actually, okay, father finds this is a good opportunity. He spoke to the doctor. He called the doctor. When doctor came and tested him, he said, "Your boy has a peculiar disease." Then his father asked in front of him, "What is that, doctor?" Then doctor said, "He's suffering from food allergic syndrome." "Oh, what does that mean?" Then he said, "If he eats anything apart from pulse and grains or vegetables, he will die." Why? Because his body cannot survive. Then he asked, "Can't he eat any sweets or junk food, anything?" Doctor said, "No, he cannot eat any sweets or junk food." Okay, this conversation happened in such a way that, the fatty boy actually is just listening. Okay, so then what happens, like after listening this, a fatty boy became very upset. He was thinking, "No, what happened to me and all?" But there is no other choice. He has to adapt the same, right? After many struggles, actually, what he did, he adapted all this, food habits and all these things like attitudes and everything. While he was struggling with this, actually, his friends purposefully used to bring a nice sweets and snacks in front of him, eating them. But knowingly, he can't do anything. But so not only avoiding, he was not even touching actually. If you eat that, then obviously it's a poison, right? He will die because of that. Thinking that this is a poison, I will die. So he was not eating actually. He was controlling his mind. So that's the level of control he got into his mind. After some months passed by, he also changed his attitude and he became healthy and fit and fully controlled. So villagers noticed this, okay, and also even his friends also noticed his peculiar behaviors. Then villagers obviously, right, the people will tell that, it's like he's having some kind of disease or something like that, something. He started speaking badly about him and he started avoiding him. He got frustrated. When his father came to know about his frustration, what he did, he called all the peoples together and he revealed the secret that what he has done after speaking to his doctor, right? The doctor, like for his benefit, actually cooked up the story in front of him. But ultimately, he felt bad about this. But whatever, he started his journey and limited and controlled diet like a normal people. What happens, like it became an attitude to him, addiction to him. Okay, you might be thinking why I'm telling this story, the weight loss journey, right? Taking your time. That's because the moral of the story is very simple. Everything lies in your mind. If you're able to control your mind, if you're able to quarantine your mind, then obviously you can do wonders in your life, right? Your mind always create a problem actually. So when you know that this is a poison you should not eat, then obviously what happens, like even though if the people keep in front of you, you will not eat it, right? So the same rules applies here in this weight loss journey as well. Because when you want to control something, when you want to achieve something in your goal, whatever it comes, please should not deviate. You should not divert your mind. You have to do it, right? So that is what I'm trying to say here. It's like you have to program your mind. You have to recognize good and bad. Then it is possible for you to control your mind. Once you control your mind, everything will become easy. But it's not that much easy. You have to always dictate your mind. Okay, you have to dictate, "No, I will not eat it. Why I should eat it?" So like this, you have to dictate your mind. Then it is possible for you to control. So ultimately, I'm telling you, in anything in this world, anything, if you want to achieve any goals, any weight loss, anything, mind. First thing is that you have to control a mind. Once you control a mind, you will get discipline, determination. So once you determine something, then definitely you will dedicate and then you will be disciplined. So I am telling you, always remember these three things. You have to be determined, you have to be dedicated, and then you have to be disciplined, right? The same applies here as well. Okay, I'm telling all these stories why? Because first you have to sharpen your saw before getting into it, right? So with all these things, I'm going to tell you one more thing is persistence. Persistence. Like you should never give up. So these things you please remember. Okay, let's move on. Okay, showing few tips how to check your ideal weight and also calorie calculations and all.